Okay, 2008 Honda Odyssey. This one, it doesn't have navigation, so let's go ahead and open this up. Open up this top glove box, and let's just work our way around with a plastic trim tool. This is popped out. We need to unplug the dome light switch, the hazard button, as well as the wiring that goes to the climate control. So just for demonstration purposes, I've unplugged the hazard button. You simply just push down on the clip here on the climate control, just push down on the tab, slide that out. That's now out of there. And then for the door switch, same here. Now with that completely out of the way, undo the 2 screws. Then with a flathead screwdriver, go ahead and pop this cover off, and then put your parking brake on. Make sure to stay stepping on the brake or the vehicle will roll away. Push that down and then shift it. That way it's out of the way so we can slide this out. Then here in the bottom middle, you need a really long Phillips screwdriver to remove that screw. Go ahead and pop out those 2 clips and work your way along the top. Slide that forward.